Oh, do it again, Dave. I didn't get it dancing. Try it again. Oh, get it to his brother. Oh, no, not there. Oh, look at him stand up. Wow, look at that. He's ready to walk. Is he ready to walk? I bet he could if he decided to. Look at that. Whoa. Good job. Good job. Where's the toys? Are they inside? Let's open them up. There's a box inside. He's coming! He's coming to get my camera! Okay, all done. Bye-bye.